Hello friends, welcome back. Now we will understand how insurance plays a vital role in human life. Please watch this carefully. Insurance plays a crucial role in safeguarding both individuals and families from the uncertainties of life. Here's a breakdown of the benefits for different types of insurance. Twos. Life insurance. Life insurance provides financial security for your loved ones in the event of your passing. It ensures that your family can maintain their lifestyle, cover debts, and manage day-to-day expenses even if you're no longer there to provide for them. Health insurance. Health insurance protects you from high medical costs, giving you access to quality healthcare without worrying about bills. It covers doctor visits, hospital stays, medications, and surgeries, ensuring that you get the care you need when it matters most. Auto insurance. Auto insurance protects you from financial liability in the event of accidents, theft, or damage to your vehicle. It covers the costs of repairs, medical bills for injuries, and even legal fees, helping you get back on the road with peace of mind. Home insurance. Home insurance safeguards your home and belongings against damage or loss due to events like fire, natural disasters, or theft. It helps you rebuild, repair, or replace your property, ensuring your investment and comfort are protected. Travel insurance. Travel insurance covers unexpected situations while you're away from home, like trip cancellations, medical emergencies, or lost luggage. It offers peace of mind so you can fully enjoy your trip without worrying about potential risks. Business insurance. For business owners, this type of insurance protects against losses due to property damage, legal liability, or employee-related risks. It helps keep your business running smoothly, even in the face of unforeseen challenges. Conclusion. Insurance is an essential safety net that protects every aspect of life, from your health and home to your travels and business. By securing the right coverage, you ensure that you, your family, and your assets are safeguarded from life's unexpected twists and turns. This knowledge can empower you to make informed decisions about the protection you need, helping you focus on living life with confidence. So I hope you all are liking my videos. If yes or no, please comment. Also, do correct me if I am wrong somewhere while creating this video. I am a new YouTuber and still learning, and also a quick learner, believe me. Just need input from you guys. We'll be back tomorrow with new video about next chapter of the subject. Please like, subscribe, and comment on my videos. Thank you.